I just noticed now. I don't have any signs or stamps of the places I went.
Because you never go anywhere. So we reached the borderline of Canada and USA. There's this much left. Here's the line of the border. The border is all the way there.
By your mother.
Okay. This is our driver.
Yeah.
Vancouver. These are the passengers in the back. Mamaligyan mi og bulad dito, ginamos.
Pwede gapon, pilang ko.
Magkaon ning kwan, bulad.
Bulad sukasile. Sikwati. We've made it.
How much we have to pay?
None.
$100.
You're not gonna pay anything.
The time is now 10:56 a.m. Saturday, July 29, 2017.
See, mark ni mga 29 sa America.
Oh yeah?
Wow, congratulations to Taz.
Because Odyssey when I was just
Wow, look at
6
that one.
months, I think.
All the
yeah?
bicycle.
Yeah, when Mama came to the United States of America.
Alright, Mama, happy birthday.
Snacks?
Oh no.
Oh, I have a lot of snacks in the back. Oh
Yeah, because Odyssey will not allow us to spend money.
No spend money. Oh my
Gutom
God.
na gutom ako.
Click that one
Gutom na
right
ako.
there, right there. You see that one right there?
What is the? Oh my God! Seatbelt. We're gonna get arrested. Smuggle snacks.
I'm smuggling some snacks.
Smuggling some snacks across the border.
Rice.
Oh, we have rice.
Palabok. Oh, kano?
Oh, palabok. Okay, gotta go. We have palabok. We have adobo and corned beef.
That's mine.
Okay.
Okay, I baon. You know, to save money.
So we are almost there, but here is the flag of Canada. Canada. And they made it out of flowers. I don't know what type of flowers, but
That looks like a maple.
but it's so cool. It is a maple leaf.
Oh, it is?
Canada's is known for their maple. We changed drivers
Like that,
because
why don't you?
we had an emergency.
Hi, we have emergency.
So,
Due to technical difficulties, Lizelle is driving to Canada now.
Yeah. Bea, how do you feel right now?
I
Where's your
feel
cell phone?
good, but it's really cold. And we're in the Canadian border.
Canadian border. Everybody lives at
Washington.
We're going to return to Vancouver. Friday? Like come back tomorrow? Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we're officially in Canada. Yes, that was about almost an hour wait at the border. Si Dundun. Yun nagway. Hi! Si Ate Flor. Yes!
Ako pa na Flor. Si Flor. Lapit bahay na.
Alright, so we're in our room right now. We check in at Marriott. Wow! And this is our room. Ta-da! Room tour!
We're at the Marriott. Here is the bathroom. I'll show you. This is really nice. And then here you go. We're going somewhere. This is our bed.
Where's my bag?
So this looks so nice. It's really beautiful. This stuff over there.
When you come to Hawaii, you come
It's
over
really
there and I'll give you discount.
This is nice. Let's
called the Lions Bridge.
Lions Bridge.
Yeah, we crossed this bridge. But it looks like San Francisco Bridge.
I like this one because it's my favorite color. Kuya's on one of them right now.
No, he's in Washington.
Yeah, nice houses.
Okay, so we're heading to Capilano Suspension Bridge. Parking. But we just got here at the Capilano Suspension Bridge and paid our parking ticket. However, it doesn't print us a receipt, so I don't know how they validate if you paid your ticket or whatnot, but whatever. We paid our parking. Don't tell me we're gonna eat again.
I don't know, but
Oh my god, this is scary! Oh my god, this is scary. Why am I even here? We are heading to the suspension bridge now. Wala dili ko. Oh my god, it's so scary. Okay, let's record this. Okay, di tuya-tuya. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh my god, this is scary. Why am I even here? Taas-taas na siya ba, oh? Oh my god. Okay, so we reached the other side. That's the map of the rainforest right there. And we are here. We were here earlier. We used the bridge to cross all the way to this side. Good luck to us.
God, we survived!
Oh, and yung mga ilong, oh, tanawan yung mga ilong.
Gago kayo!
Walking up to this time. This place, or this park is huge.
pagod na pagod ako.
Napagod ako.
Pagod na pagod ako.
Oh wow. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but there's water right there. I can hear the water, the stream of the water.
Uy, kasunod na punta ng bulalo, mama. Uy.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. That's the bridge. Oh my god, it's against the light, that's why. We're at earlier. That's the suspension bridge. And then alright, it's so green out here. And alright.
Scary! I'm not gonna look down!
Oh my jeez.
Can I vlog myself up then?
You might drop it.
I'm not that sure to go over.
Hello. So they were saying that this one is, what is this?
Pakalolo.
Marijuana pakalolo.
Okay, if you're from Hawaii, you know what pakalolo is, okay? Alright, we made it. We made it.
28 years!
28?
Yes! Nakita gihapon me from the people of Katipunan, Villanueva, Visayas, nakita me din sa Canada, Vancouver, BC. Thank you, Lord.
Where we
Guys, see you guys later. We're gonna eat at Max.
Hi guys, we're at Max's. We are with my mom's friends. We are at Max's with Ate Ode, Ate Chelsea, my mom, my dad, and his family and their friends. We are going to eat and yeah.
Happy birthday,
My halo is delicious.
It's another beautiful day here in Vancouver, Canada. We are here at the Vancouver Aquarium. We just found a parking and now Auntie is paying on the other side, right there. No, this aquarium is close to the Stanley Park, or I think it is part of the Stanley Park. Yeah, I do. I have it here. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Morning magdalag tigaw karong adlaw.
Uy! Kainit yung karon. Nautong tabog na kay sulod.
So we're inside the aquarium now, and so we are checking on our pictures and looking to see if, wow, this is so cool. This is cool.
And wait, the other one.
Lagi na. Oh my god, look at that, it's so big. Hey, Lavia Joy, go, smile. Lavia Joy, go inside. Hello, oh my god, no more water. Oh, look, stingray. Stingray.
Thanks for that tour, you guys.
For touring us around. Really appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
We have to see you again some other time.
Yeah, but
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.